Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing first impression. The unit that I'm wearing is the Bobbi Boss Sylvanna unit. This is the MLF 222 unit. Got an jet black one, that is my preference. This is a lace front unit with 13x4 parting space, so nice good amount of free parting. You can part it literally anywhere. You guys will see me later in the video showing you that, and then at the end of the video I'm wearing it as a right-sided part, which I actually prefer the middle part of this, but the way that the curls fall and frame your face, you're always swatting hair out of your face. But I definitely think that I prefer a middle part on this unit. Again, it has that free parting space from ear to ear. It has a natural hairline. However, you guys will see that's not completely true. It's more of like a Barbie doll rounded hairline, and you could cut in baby hairs to make it a more natural hairline. This unit is made from premium high heat fibers. However, it doesn't say what it is heat safe up to, so just be careful so that you're not melting the unit. But you do have the option to flat iron this unit or put curls back into the unit as this unit navigates through its shelf life. All right, so getting into cap construction, we have 1, 2, 3 combs at the very top perimeter of this unit, and then at the bottom we have 1 additional comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. Oh, so again, we just have another beautiful unit. Obviously you have to go in and trim out the lace, but the parting space, wow, 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 wow. This looks gorgeous. Wow, we just need a comb and we need some scissors to cut this lace off, and then we'll be in business. But my goodness, where were these wigs a few weeks ago? I did this out of order. I should have reviewed these first and worn these for my graduation pictures. I did this in reverse order, most definitely, but it's okay. It's okay, because I know the perfect time to wear this unit. So as always with my wig videos, I'm going to go in and style this unit, come back to you guys with all my final thoughts, questions, concerns, comments, specs on this unit. So we're back, and we are back with the Cyclops bang. So this is free parting, and I love that you don't have to glue this. It's like a glueless unit. We love it. We love to see it. Really like the volume. The body on this unit has excellent movement. Now that I have the hair position and I can see you eye to eye here, we can jump into the specs. So this is a synthetic unit. It does say on the information card that this is a handcrafted hairline. However, if you're not trimming out baby hairs, you're not gluing it down, then the hairline doesn't really mean too much to me. This is a free parting unit, so the beauty of that, you can wear this as a middle part, you can wear it as a side part on your right or on your left, whatever you want, you can do that. And if you did want to, you could do half up, half down. You could get some Got to Be Glued blasting free spray and then do half up, half down. You can do the 2 fun buns, whatever you want to do, you could do that. The unit has 13x4 parting space. It's hand tied on Swiss lace, and it has ear to ear parting with a natural hairline. In terms of shedding, this is how much shedding that I got. I did have an issue with the way that the unit looked. I saw it and I thought that it was supposed to stop like right here, but then it actually is pretty long. And I was looking and I was like, something's not right about this unit. I feel like if I just go in and cut it right here, then it'll really bring this together. But I don't know, I feel like it's just a tad bit, like 1 or 2 inches too long. Even just touching my hair right now, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strands of shedding, and that was just lightly from repositioning the bang and, you know, touching the ends. This is one of those units that you can definitely get away with not wearing a nude wig cap. You can wear a brown one, because I feel like with a nude wig cap underneath, it is a little too harsh. It almost makes the scalp look white on my head. So and there's too harsh of a transition between the scalp and my skin tone. I didn't notice any baby hairs on the unit. However, you can cut some into the unit and gel them down and then have a more realistic transition between the unit and your skin. I didn't end up using any of the combs and any of the adjustable straps. It is definitely big head friendly and it feels very snug and secure up here, which is definitely what you want with one of these kinds of units. You don't want it sliding back, and for added security, of course, you can go in with whatever kind of wig adhesive that you have, apply it, and then do your half up, half down styles if you want. But I think as it stands right now, you don't need any of that wig adhesive because this is very secure right now. This has a very silky texture. This looks like virgin, unprocessed, raw, just very beautiful hair. It looks so healthy and just has such good movement. It's so soft. I really like this. It makes me look older, but in a good way. Again, in terms of luster, it just has a nice shine. It looks like virgin hair. I can't stop touching this, which is bad because I'm just gonna end up tangling it some more. I think my only complaint is that the volume right here, the volume in the hairline is a little bit too much and it's obstructing my vision. I can't really see, but you guys can see here it has that Barbie doll hairline, so that's where cutting in baby hairs would make the transition a little bit better. Or you could pull out your own hairs. However, the way that my hair is braided down, it would not be conducive for me to rip out my edges to slick them down. But this is a very beautiful unit. You can wear it every day to work. You can wear it for special occasions, whatever it is that you want to do. I think it's a very sexy unit. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.